Ladybird's like, I'm the one who's supposed to be laying down. What are you doing?
Come on, come on, come on! Good girls. Be gentle, Ladybird. Oh, Flint's just giving it right back to her.
Yeah, she is.
They're like, let's just go through you.
Looks like, I'll get you, big dog. I'll get you. You girls having fun?
Ladybird's like, what do I do with this?
Flint, two things. You're short and you're a girl. And you're spitting. Three things.
The odds are not in your favor. Oh, girls.
Oh. Ladybird's like, she ran into my face.
Ladybird's being very gentle with her.
She is. She's really self-inhibiting very well. Flint is not buffaloed by
I expected them to play more wrestling on the floor because both of them tend to go under, but I guess they're both like, oh, there they go.
Yeah. Flint. Yeah, I guess they just kind of both blossom around each other. See how well Ladybird does with the small dog.
Yeah.
Even the small sassy one.
She's probably actually, I mean, I don't know how she would be with a small dog that ignored her, but probably someone that, the small dog that's interacting with her is probably easier than one that would not be willing to reciprocate her play.
Right, definitely.
There you go.
You girls go wrestle on the floor now. Go wrestle, wrestle. Go wrestle, wrestle. So the curious things that
Oh,
you're a barrel
Flint,
roll.
you're so tough.
Looks like I can do a barrel roll. Oh! She like launched herself off of Ladybird's chest and fell down.
Gentle.
I think she just didn't expect Ladybird's head to be there. She's like, okay, I'm back in the game.
I'm forgiven.
Good girl, Ladybird.